Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, June 26th. We're seeing some partly sunny skies out there this morning, and we will be continuing to see just mainly some upper level cirrus, but we will be seeing some nice temperatures today as well as some dry conditions as we go into tonight and to tomorrow as well before we get a little bit of rain on Thursday. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see temperatures in the mid 80s across the entire mid-Atlantic yesterday. This morning, lows were fairly seasonable across the region with temperatures ranging near 60 degrees in our cooler locations to near 70 to the warmer spots with 68 here at Wallops. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures in the mid 70s for most locations across the mid-Atlantic under partly sunny skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we were seeing winds southeasterly right at the surface near about 10 to 15 knots, and then shifting easterly and northwesterly as we go up through 6,000 feet. And then those winds are becoming more west-northwesterly from 9,000 feet up to 20,000 feet. With high pressure building to the north of the region, we are seeing a very calm wind field across the atmospheric column this morning, with winds only running around 5 to 15 knots up to 25,000 feet. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop this morning, we are seeing some shower activity across North Carolina and south central Virginia this morning, but that is anticipated to remain well south of Delmarva as high pressure retains control of the weather for the Wallops area today and into tonight and tomorrow. So not just expecting a continued abundance of upper level cloudiness and very nice temperatures across the area through tomorrow, with really no chances of precipitation until we get into tomorrow night. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you can see a stationary front draped across the Carolinas there, giving them some shower activity. That weak low that's over western North Carolina is going to track off the coast, off of near Cape Hatteras there, and that is going to deepen just a bit as it makes its way off the land and over the warmer ocean water. And that could give some more breezy conditions to the outer banks there as we go into the next couple days, and then it is going to move off. But it does look like that weak low that is going to develop is going to stay well south of the area, not giving us any real impacts to our weather other than a continued easterly flow for the next couple of days. And then we are going to be impacted by that system across the plains there in the midwestern portion of the country when we get into Wednesday night, giving us a chance of some showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm through Thursday. So taking a look at our forecast charts, going to continue to see high pressure dominate as we go throughout the day today, continuing to give us just some partly sunny skies with clouds decreasing a bit as we go into tonight. Still going to be looking at that high pressure in control with easterly flow as we go into tonight, with any rain remaining well south of the area. And then as we go into tomorrow, we're going to see a little bit of an uptick in cloudiness as that low starts to develop off of the outer banks there to the south. We are, like I had said, we're not expecting any rain from this system as we go into tomorrow. Just an uptick in cloudiness, as especially in upper level cloudiness, as that low does develop, and we continue to see some easterly flow across the region. Then as we go into Wednesday evening, we are going to be seeing a front approach from the west. It does look like we are going to be impacted by a bit of a warm front, and that is going to give us a chance of some scattered showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm for Wednesday night. Those chances of showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm are going to persist into the morning Thursday, with the best chance for rain on Thursday being before the early afternoon hours. And then as we go into Thursday afternoon, we're going to start to see some southerly flow develop, or westerly flow develop, as high pressure builds in from the west, and that is going to help to ramp up our temperatures back into the upper 80s. And then after Thursday, we are going to be seeing a period of very warm but dry conditions persist through the weekend and into early next week. Taking a look at our weather chart here today, we're not looking at any weather hazards. We are going to be seeing a high of 80 degrees as we go into the early afternoon hours, with southeasterly flow persisting. We'll see these southeasterly winds max out at around 10 to 15 knots, with some slightly higher gusts this afternoon before decreasing a bit to 7 to 12 knots into the overnight hours and into mid-morning Wednesday. We will see the low tomorrow reach down to 69 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to continue to see just a few lower level clouds here and there around 3,000 feet, but the main story for cloud cover today is going to be thicker broken cirrus deck near that 25,000 foot layer throughout much of the day and into tonight. Still going to be seeing just some spotty clouds near 3,500 feet through this evening and into tonight and into tomorrow morning as well, where we could start to see some more mid-level clouds near 18,000 feet come in with those with that low well to the south streaming in some more cloud cover. For tomorrow, we're going to be seeing another high of 80 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Then Wednesday night, we're going to see that weak disturbance approach the area, giving us a chance of some scattered showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Still a bit of a question how much instability will be in the area Wednesday night for any chances of thunderstorms due to the persistent easterly flow we've been having, but there is still at least about a 20% chance of seeing a stray thunderstorm across the area with a more mild low Wednesday night of 74. Then on Thursday, we're going to see things warm up a bit as high pressure starts to build into the area, giving us a more westerly flow with a high of 89, but we are still going to be seeing a chance of some showers and a slight chance of a storm as that disturbance exits the area before that high pressure builds into the afternoon. So expect the best chance of some shower activity in the morning on Thursday with high building in later in the day, and still expecting that very warm high of 89 degrees. Taking a look at the next 7 days here, as you can see, today and tomorrow are going to be the coolest days in the extended outlook, with a high only reaching 80 degrees as we get that easterly flow prevalent across the area. And then after that disturbance moves through the area Wednesday night and Thursday, giving us that chance of showers with a slight chance of a thunderstorm, we're going to be having some strong upper-level ridging across the eastern portion of the country, as well as a broad surface high pressure developing across the eastern seaboard, and that is going to persist through late Thursday and into the beginning of next week, giving us just some partly cloudy to mostly sunny conditions, as well as a very warm air mass across the region, with highs near 90 degrees here at Wallops each day, with highs likely into the mid 90s for more interior locations. And it does look like this is going to be a drier period with no rain chances expected through Friday into early next week. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.